How to turn business ideas into reality. How to turn vision into innovation.
Welcome to Business and Management Podcast.
Hello, my friends. How are you doing? I hope that you always be healthy and successful. Welcome to the Business and Management Podcast with myself as the host, Marcel Rudy. We may have so many great business ideas, but how do we turn those great ideas into execution? With so many great ideas, how do we even choose the best innovation to execute? Launching new innovation is just like cooking that special meal. It takes a village to launch a new innovation. It takes people from different functions, different specialties to make it work. For example, let's say that we want to launch a new skincare product. We need R&D team to formulate the new product. We need marketing team to come up with great campaign ideas. We need sales team to pitch conceptual selling to the customers. We need supply chain team to make, pack, and ship the products. And we need finance guy to calculate all the costs, revenue, and profit that comes out from the new innovation. Then, how to decide which ideas are best to execute? The principle here is fire the bullets before the cannonballs. What do I mean by that? First, test those small ideas into a form of pilot projects, limited launches, and then test and measure the success criteria and then decide which idea works the best. Get consumer feedback from focus group discussion, quantitative research, and from the samples that we send to the consumer's home and let them tell us how do they feel when they use the samples. Then, finally, decide which best innovation idea to be launched broadly. The last step is to execute with excellence. Charter a project team. Appoint a project leader to bring all the team together. Ensure to lock the project scope with clear boundaries. Set up a clear and detailed project schedule. Secure the funding for the project. Secure the manpower for the project. Then track and monitor the project rigorously. Remove any barriers, any bottlenecks to make sure that the project remains on track. And finally, enjoy the fruits of our labor. See how those new innovations really delights the consumer. See the new skincare product that we just launched really help to improve the beautiful skin of our consumers. Visit the stores and see how the shoppers picking up our product from the shelves. And finally, enjoy those numbers showing up in terms of increasing revenue and profit in the balance sheet. How about you? How do you cook innovation programs in your company or in your business? Please write in the column comments below. If you feel that this podcast is beneficial, then please click like and subscribe. Don't forget to share this podcast with your friends so we can spread the benefits. Thank you so much. May you always be successful. All the best.